Hey, if you're trying to learn about affiliate marketing for beginners and how it works, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you here today in this video. I'm going to share with you how affiliate marketing works and how you can use it to build consistent passive income. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you how you can get access to 7-figure affiliate marketing training and a done-for-you system so you can get results as quickly as possible. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here with danielprobertson.com, and on this channel, we go over how to create passive income, how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to understand how affiliate marketing works, let me give you a few examples. Let's say that you have your cell phone service through a cell phone company, and this company offers a discount on your bill if you refer friends or family to the same, cell phone provider. Or, for example, maybe you have a credit card, and this credit card gives you some points when you refer somebody to a card through that company as well. Another example of this would be, say, for if you have a job and they offer a bonus on your paycheck if you refer somebody who then gets hired by the company. So these are all examples of exactly how affiliate marketing works. You have products or services, or in one case, a job that's benefiting you in some way, and then you're sharing that product and service with your friends and your family in order to earn some kind of bonus or discount or something like that from the company. And that's how affiliate marketing works. So there are plenty of products and services out there that are attached to an affiliate program. And then so you can simply earn a commission money in the form of a commission by referring people to these products and services. But the difference is that with the examples that I gave, it's mostly from referring friends and family to those products, those services. But with affiliate marketing, if you're trying to build consistent passive income with affiliate marketing, it's going to be very difficult for you to get those consistent results just by referring friends and family to something, especially considering that your friends and family probably aren't considered in whatever it is that you're thinking of, recommending or promoting. So you need to figure out a way to get that product or that service in front of the right people, which is the people who will benefit the most from that product. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you want to promote the product to people who are actually interested in weight loss. It's a pretty simple concept, right? But how do you actually do that? Well, I'm going to lay out the strategy for you on how you can do that right now. So the first is you need to understand that you need to expand your reach beyond just your friends and family. And so to do that, you want to figure out, first of all, who is your target market? Who are the people who will benefit from that product or that service, that weight loss product, for example? Who are the people who would want to lose weight using that product? Now, weight loss, the weight loss market, it's a very competitive market. It's a very difficult market to stand out in. So that's why you need to niche it down a bit to get into a narrower version of the market. For example, instead of just doing weight loss, you could do weight loss using ketogenesis. So now in that narrower market, it's much easier for you to stand out because you've focused in, you've dialed in what your message is, who you're talking to, and what you're talking about. And it's still a big enough market with plenty of customers, plenty of products, plenty of supply and demand for you to make enough money consistently and passively. So maybe you find a product that teaches ketogenic weight loss. Maybe it's a weight loss plan, or maybe you find supplements that activate ketones, or maybe you find recipe books that are, ketogenic approved, or maybe even a meal delivery service that is designed around ketogenesis. So now that you figured out a product to promote and earn commissions, now you need to figure out how to get in front of your target market. And the best way that I found to do that as a beginner is to become a content publisher. So you'll pick a platform to publish content on. Maybe it's Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat. It could be a blog. It could be YouTube. There's plenty of platforms out there. So you pick one when you're starting out and focus on that one platform until you get really good and you master that one platform. And so you start publishing helpful content on that platform on a consistent basis. And I recommend starting out with at least a 90-day content publishing challenge, because that challenge will allow you to build your skills, your experience, your habits around becoming a content producer and building that audience. So for our example, you'd start publishing, helpful tips around ketogenesis, maybe inspirational videos, maybe case studies of other people who've done it. Maybe as you're going along the journey of losing weight with ketogenesis yourself, you share your results and your insights and your takeaways from your process. Also share your struggles, your frustrations as you're going through the process, but because people connect with you when you're authentic and you're real and you share those struggles. And they'll connect with you when they see that you have the same struggles that they have. And when you start to get results, and you share those results, then they'll be able to believe for themselves that they can get results too. If you got results, they can get results. And along the way, just keep recommending the products and services that you picked out to promote to that audience. And pretty soon, you'll start building an audience and getting sales. Now, to be honest, if you want to get real results with this and consistent passive income, you kind of need to take it to the next step, the next level, which is that you want to be building an email list of people that you continue to make offers to over and over again. That way you can get, repeat sales from the same people who already bought from you, but then also the people who didn't initially buy, you'll have more chances to get in front of them and make sales with them as well. Because not everybody's going to be ready to buy right away when they first come across you. But when you get them onto your email list, you have that second chance, that third chance. You can continue to provide value to that email list in the form of more helpful content through email marketing. And then also with your email marketing, you can make more offers to them and get more sales. So instead of just using your content to promote the affiliate product directly, you're going to promote what's called a lead magnet. And a lead magnet is simply something for free that you give away in exchange for a person's email address. Something free that your audience will benefit from. And this could be a free ebook. It could be a checklist. It could be a video training series. There's lots of different things that you can offer to your audience to help them, kind of get towards that next step, that next level, that result that they're looking for. So let's see if we can connect the dots here for you. Imagine having an email list of 1,000 people who are all interested in ketogenic weight loss. They opted in to your email list in exchange for a free ketogenic weight loss guide. And you send out an email to these 1,000 people offering a ketogenic meal delivery service. And let's say this meal delivery service offers $20 commission per month per sale. So can you see the power in that? Even if you just get 10 sales from that one email you sent out to 1,000 people, that's an extra $200 in passive recurring commissions. And that's just from sending one email. So if you keep consistently sending emails, offers to that email list and growing that list so it gets even bigger, imagine the power this has for you. If one email can have that result, and if you keep continuing to email and keep growing your list, imagine over time you can build passive income that makes your day job look like peanuts. All just from creating content that creates value for an audience, using that content to build an email list, and then using that email list to recommend quality products and services to that audience. Now, earlier in this video, I mentioned that I'll share with you how you can get access to 7-figure training and a done-for-you system that you can leverage. And now I'm going to deliver on that promise. Click the link down below this video and you'll get access to training that was put together by a 7-figure earner, and you'll get access to his exact sales funnel that he's allowed me to share with you so that you can build your email list and recommend products to that list. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next video.